Wildfires in Los Angeles have a long and fiery history. In the past decades, wildfires have become more frequent. Climate change plays a big role in these devastating fires. Urban development has pushed fires closer to homes and businesses. The 2025 fire was fueled by extreme heat and dry conditions. Firefighting efforts have evolved with technology and strategy. Community awareness and preparedness are crucial in prevention. Restoration efforts post-fire focus on replanting and recovery. Wildfire patterns show a need for better land management. Together, we can learn from the past to protect our future.